This doesn't look great. So what do you do if your paint's failing and you've got salt buildup on your brick? I'm gonna show you how to power wash and prepare this surface so we can repaint it.
See this wall? 6 months ago, I thought I fixed it, but today it looks like this. I'm Andrew Meades. I've been a professional power washer for 15 years, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean up salt from brick. So I made this lovely how-to video to clean and prep these bricks for repainting, but I had the chemistry wrong.
And the acid's gonna break down that last bit of salt, and we're gonna rinse it off, and when it dries, we'll have a clean surface ready for repainting.
That is wrong. I was wrong. So I had this customer with spalling brick. If you don't know what spalling brick is when literally the salts explode the surface of the brick and it just starts to crumble. I gave them a quick commercial clean so I could repaint afterwards. I did some hot power washing to dissolve the salts from the surface. Then I applied a masonry detergent called NMD 80 to clean the wall so it was ready for painting. I thought the NMD 80 would break down the residual salts, but that's not how it works. Rock salt is sodium chloride, and my acid is hydrochloric acid. Both have chloride ions. It's like trying to mop up a wet table with a saturated sponge. Let's run an experiment though to prove it. Got some rock salt, and we've got 2 test tubes here. We're gonna put hot water versus NMD 80 4:1, exactly what I used, and give it 10 minutes and see how much salt dissolves. It's been 10 minutes, let's take a look. Hot water, the salt is clear, and it has dissolved, I would say, over 50%. NMD 80, the salt is opaque. It's dissolved, I would say, a little bit less. I feel like the hot water's done a better job. The fact that the salt is clear and not opaque compared to the NMD 80. The NMD 80 did better than I thought, which makes sense because it's 75% water. I think the fact that it is opaque is showing that it's having a harder time dissolving the salt buildup. Acids are actually good for paint prep. They dissolve a thin layer of the calcium on the surface of the masonry, and that creates a rougher profile for the paint to adhere to.
So this is a feather, you ready? Watch. Instead of shooting on it that, I'm gonna shoot on an angle. So watch this, you ready?
Great for adhesion, useless for salt. Let's go back to the site.
The hot power washing did a great job, except what you can't see is that on this surface, in the tiniest pores, and then dissolved into the water that remains, is some salt buildup.
So if acids don't work, what's the proper way to prep this surface if you wanted to repaint? You can use a product called Chlor-rid, put the picture up here, and essentially what this will do is chelate the salt ions, so it'll surround them and allow you to rinse them out of the surface. So you could apply a product like that, or what you could do, if this was a high-level historical surface and you wanted to get perfect bricks, you could put a paper or a clay poultice on it. And what it will do is it'll dissolve the salts and physically suck them out of the surface. But that's like a 3-week process, something that's probably more appropriate for historical buildings rather than your average commercial customer. And after 15 years of power washing, I'm still learning. Sometimes I'll make simple mistakes, but you know what? At the end of the day, I give myself permission to make mistakes. Okay, I'm back on site here, and you can see the paint is already starting to fail. The root cause has not been solved. We're still getting absolutely a ton of rock salt down. That's gonna immediately jump onto the bricks and start putting salt right back into them, which is leading to this quick failure. I was hoping it would look better than this. Doesn't matter if I did the absolute perfect prep for this. If you haven't solved the root cause, you're never gonna solve the issue. Now that we know what the right method is, we can clean that up and prevent it from coming back again. Most channels only show you the wins, but on this channel, I'm gonna show you the mistakes, the fixes, we'll dive into the chemistry and have some fun.
If you like this kind of stuff, if you like seeing how a professional cleans up a surface to prep it for paint, follow along for more. Thanks, have a good day. Pressure washing on a swing. Yeah! Oh no. Ah!